My friends, today I have a treat for you, so I hope that you're hungry. So I have searched far and wide on my adventures, through valleys of filth and peaks of perfection, and I just recently stumbled across quite possibly the worst case of soap scum I've ever seen. If it's not the worst, it's one of the worst. And here's the great part. I made a video just for you. Alright guys, so here's the shower we're going to be cleaning. That white stuff that you see right there, that is your soap scum. That's specifically what I want to teach y'all how to get rid of when you see that in showers and stuff. Regardless, the whole shower needs to be cleaned. And so I'm just going to clean the entire shower here for a little transformation video. But this is the before shot. So if you ever wondered what soap scum was, there you go. It's that sticky icky plastered all over your shower. Now in more milder cases, you actually won't be able to see the soap scum, but you can feel it. Take your fingernails, scrape it, and then you'll see the white stuff get underneath your fingernails. That is soap scum as well. Now let's talk about how to actually remove the stuff. There are two ways to remove soap scum that I prefer. In a case this severe, there's really no easy way to do this. Both of these methods are going to work, but they're still going to require a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of foot grease for the bottom of the shower. But my goal with this video is just to make it easier to remove the soap scum. So let's get it done. Method number one. Take you some crud cutter. You're going to spray it on there and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Spray it very liberally. And Scotch-Brite sponge. See this green side? This is the green side. The real scratchy side. You're just going to scrape all the soap scum off with that. So spray this. Let it sit for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, scratch it off the green part. Method number one. Method number two, take you some scrubbing bubbles. Check it out. Removes soap scum. But it works better if you combine it with a magic eraser. So you spray this on there, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and scrub it off with a magic eraser. That's method number two. Finished product, guys. Here's the shower. We got all the soap scum removed. So that's it, guys. That's the video. That is how to remove the soap scum. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of work for me, but I enjoyed making the video for you. I basically had to just remove the stuff in layers, and as you saw from the video, I basically used both of the methods that I showed you. I used the crud cutter, I used the scrubbing bubbles, and I would use the stuff interchangeably. So sometimes I would spray the crud cutter and I would use the magic eraser. Sometimes I would spray the scrubbing bubbles and I would use the Scotch spray with it versus the magic eraser. I just kind of went back and forth interchanging with both methods because honestly I just wanted to see which one would really work better, and in conclusion, they both work about the same. So for you, just go use both methods, use them interchangeably, figure out what works best for you, and roll with that. Products will be listed and linked down below, guys. Until next time, implement the steps I have outlined in this video, and you will be well on your way to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.